Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a lift tour around the Leeds city centre. Hope you enjoy the video. First, let's do some lifts at the light. These are some Otis 2000 lifts at the car park. Security camera. Let's go to C. It's an Otis 2000 lift. Capacity is 13 persons, 1,000 kilos, and it was made in 2001. Here we are at C. So I went upstairs and I decided to do the top floor down to the bottom floor. Now let's go down to 2. With the same capacity as last one, with 1,000 kilos and 13 persons. Now let's do the lifts at Radisson Blu. You've got to scan your key card to access the lift. Let's go up to 3. It's another Otis 2000 lift with 16 persons, 1,250 kilos, and it was made in 2001. Let's go to G. Now let's do this glass lift. Let's go to B. It's an Otis 2000H lift. Capacity is 25 kilos, 13 persons.
The balcony level.
Had this weird alarm thing.
Doors opening.
Now let's go to A.
Doors closing. The arcade level.
Slow leveling.
Doors opening.
Now let's do some other lifts I found around the centre. First lift being a ThyssenKrupp MRL lift at Curry's. Let's go to 1. For some reason, this had a 9-digit button panel for some reason. It was so useless. Capacity 630 kilos, 8 persons, made in 2005. Classic ThyssenKrupp chime. Now let's go to 0. Door close button works like that.
Ground floor.
Now let's do the lift at TK Maxx. Let's go to -1. Annoyingly, this doesn't have a door close button. It's an Otis Gen 2 lift. Capacities 1,000 kilos, 13 persons, made in 2008. Now let's go back up to 1. There's the Otis logo. Now let's do the lift at the core. Now I did find a lift, but it was closed. But I did find this glass lift. Let's go to 1. It's a cylinder lift. Capacity 630 kilos, 8 persons. Security camera up there.
Floor 1, rear door opening.
Now let's go back to 0.
Rear
Door close button works. I like that.
floor 0. Door opening.
Now let's do the lift at the St John's shopping mall. Let's go to G.
Please mind the door. Doors closing.
Capacity 16 persons, 1,250 kilos. I'm not sure what lift this is. Nobody really knows.
Please mind the door. Doors closing.
Now let's go to LG. Door slam. I think this was made in 1989.
Doors opening. Lower shopping mall.
Now let's do the lift at Waterstones. Two sliding doors. Let's go up to 2. Capacity is 8 persons, 630 kilos. It's a Morris Verbant lift. Here we are at second floor. Let's go back to 1.
Mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
Very nice glass lift.
Floor 1. Doors open.
Now let's go to G.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. Ground floor. Door.
Now let's go back up to 1 and finish.
Door.
Nice green indicator.
Floor 1. Doors open.
Now let's do the lift at John Lewis. Let's go to 4. Capacity is 21 persons, 1,600 kilos. Made in 2016. It's got the Coniac sign phone system and a yellow indicator. Now let's go to 0. Again, it's a Kony Eco Disc. Capacity is 21 persons, 1,600 kilos. It was made in 2016. There's the floor directory and the buttons. Now let's do the lift at Harvey Nichols. Let's go to 4.
Mind the doors.
Capacity is 13 persons, 1,000 kilos. There's a security camera up there. It used to be a cylinder lift, but it was modernised by Tyson Crow.
Floor 4. Doors are opening.
There's the cylinder logo. Now let's go to G.
Please mind the doors.
There's the floor directory.
Ground floor. Doors are open.
The following lifts will be at the Trinity shopping centre. First is a glass Oakland lift at Next. Let's go to G. Door slam, don't like that. First bad thing, it's a very light starter. Capacity is 1,600 kilos, 12 persons. Now let's do the other lift. Let's go to 1.
Mind the doors, please.
Capacity is 1,600 kilos, 21 persons. It's another Oakland lift.
Lift going down.
Now
First
let's go back to
floor.
G.
Mind the doors, please. Lift going up. Ground floor.
Now let's do the lift at H&M. Let's go to 2. It's a cylinder lift. Capacity is 1,000 kilos, 13 persons. Floor -1 was locked, so let's go to 0. Door close button works like that.
Floor 0.
Now let's do the lift at New Look.
Going
Let's
down.
go to 1.
Doors closing.
One side of the button panel is for the staff. It's a Konica disc lift. Capacity is 13 persons, 1,000 kilos.
First floor. Doors opening.
2 sets of doors.
Going up.
Let's go back up to 2.
Second floor.
EcoDisc logo.
Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing.
Now let's do the main lifts. Let's go to F, first floor. It's another EcoDisc lift. Capacity is 17 persons, 1275 kilos.
Doors open.
It was very dark. Now let's go to LG.
Level ground floor. Doors open.
Now let's go to G.
Doors closed. Ground.
Doesn't do the clunk what normal eco discs do. Now let's do the lifts at Primark.
See you later, Milo.
Let's go to 2. Capacity is 26 persons, 2,000 kilos, made in 2012. Very nice glass lift. They have unusual buttons. Now let's go to G. Capacity is 26 persons, 2,000 kilos, and this one was made in 2013, not 2012. Now, finally, to finish up this long video, let's do the lift at River Island. Here it is. Let's go to 0. I think it's a high-tech lift with 630 kilos and 8 persons. Here we are at 0.
Ground floor.
Wow, 20 minutes long video. Thank you all so much for watching. I loved doing this video and I loved making it. And if you want more of these videos, just please subscribe. We're so close to 75 subscribers and I can't believe how wonderful you guys are. Thanks for watching and bye.